Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable high context without numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the option key. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings. In Code Settings, go down and tap on Other Code Settings. In Other Code Settings, tap on High Context without numbers. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And if you turn this on, it will hide any context without numbers. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your phone app, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.